In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Zoho Books. Whether you're just starting to use Zoho Books or you've been managing finances for a while, creating an invoice is a fundamental skill every user should have under their belt. Let me walk you through this process step by step. We begin by navigating to the Zoho Books application on your preferred device. Once you're logged in and have reached the dashboard, you'll find yourself at the central hub for managing your financial tasks. From here, look for the Sales tab, which you'll find on the left-hand menu. Clicking on Sales will guide you to a suite of potential actions related to your business transactions. Within the Sales menu, you'll see the Invoices option. Go ahead and click on Invoices to proceed. This is where all your existing invoices are stored and where we'll create a new one. On the top right of this section, you'll find a button labeled New. Click New to initiate the process of creating a fresh invoice. When you're about to fill out a new invoice, one of the first tasks is to select or add a customer. Zoho Books allows you to choose from a list of existing customers or add a new customer right on the spot. Ensure your customer's details are accurate, as this will also determine how and where the invoice is sent. Once you've specified the customer, it's time to enter the invoice number. This number is critical for tracking and reference purposes, so make sure it aligns with your existing numbering system, or start a new sequence if you're just beginning. Next, you'll need to choose an invoice date. This usually defaults to the current date, but it can be adjusted to reflect when the sale or service was actually delivered. Selecting the right invoice date is essential for proper accounting. Following this, select or add the salesperson responsible for the sale. If you have multiple sales personnel, this helps in assigning and managing who sold what, improving both accountability and performance tracking. Further on, you're required to type in the subject. The subject of an invoice acts like a title that sums up what the invoice covers. Keep it concise yet descriptive enough to be informative at a glance. Now we move to filling up the item table. This table is where you enter the details of what the invoice covers, such as products or services provided, their quantities, individual prices, and any applicable taxes. Double-check this for accuracy to avoid discrepancies that might need corrections later. With all the information plugged in, the final step is to click Save and Send. This action saves your invoice in your records and initiates sending it to your customer via the method you've set up, generally email. You'll usually have a confirmation or final chance to review before the invoice goes out. And there you have it. That's how you create an invoice in Zoho Books. I hope you found this guide helpful and clear. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature.